Good evening from Taiwan. My name is Kyle and I'm currently in my hotel room here in Taiwan for a business trip. I decided to talk about fatty acid synthesis, also known as lipogenesis. What is lipogenesis? It is the production of fat from non fat substances such as carbohydrates, ketogenic amino acids, and alcohol. What causes lipogenesis? It is the process involving the synthesis of fatty acids or triglycerides, which is controlled and regulated by a number of factors in the body. The process is stimulated by a diet high in carbohydrates and several hormones in the body, such as insulin, and mediate the process. It typically occurs when individuals consume excessive amounts of those carbohydrates, ketogenic amino acids, and alcohol. So, after consumption, these foods are broken down by digestion, which is mostly done in the small intestine, which releases glucose into the bloodstream and eventually ending up in the liver. Once in the liver, the glucose is eventually turned into glycogen through the process of glycogenesis. The glucose ends up converting to pyruvate through the process of glycolysis. Pyruvate moves into the mitochondria of the cell where it is acted on by another enzyme which converts it to acetyl CoA. The acetyl CoA that was derived from the glucose, amino acid, and alcohol converts into fatty acid chains. The newly synthesized fatty acids are then combined with glycerol to form triglycerides. The liver eventually releases these triglycerides as very low density lipoproteins, or VLDLs, which then circulate into the bloodstream. Eventually, the fatty acids are removed from the VLDLs and reassembled into triglycerides for storage as body fat. Thanks for listening.